Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Google and enabling location with high accuracy so Maps knows where you actually are. Once done, update the app and allow permissions. This avoids missing features. Now set home and work for one-tap routing. Next, type a destination or long press a map pin to begin. Make sure search filters are correct: driving, walking, transit. That gets you moving immediately and prepares Maps to give accurate directions and ETA. Once navigation is initiated, you customize the route to match your needs. Select driving, walking, cycling, or transit and compare alternate routes to avoid tolls or highways. Tap options to adjust. Make sure to toggle traffic and satellite layers so you see congestion and landmarks. Save places to lists for repeat trips and use measure distance or street view to inspect arrival points. These steps reduce surprises and let you plan stops. ETA adjustment: you begin active navigation and follow voice prompts. Add stops or drag the route to customize. Once en route, share your live location or ETA with contacts and download offline maps if you expect no signal. Make sure to preview lane guidance and transit schedules before you depart. If the app misbehaves, troubleshoot. Toggle location or airplane mode, calibrate the compass by moving your phone, restart Maps, clear cache, and update the app. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most GPS and routing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.